Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 67, Harmonic Analysis. That means it is actually lecture number 2 of Harmonic Analysis, but 67 lecture number is of free course ETAP. This is the model in which we are going to perform harmonic analysis. First of all, I will tell you how you can model this circuit. I will only show you the parameters I have considered for different equipment like transformer, grid, cable. Then you can make the SLD, make this model in your ETAP, and then I will perform the harmonic analysis. First of all, I can double click on the grid. 1 minute. And this is the power grid editor, and you can see our rating is 33 kV. You can see here the rating is 33 kV, and short circuit current is MVA is 1000, and X by R ratio is very high, percentage impedance is 7.49. okay, these are the parameters which I have put in the grid. And then I will double click on the transformer. You can see, and rating is, this primary is 33 and secondary is 6.6, and rating is 10 MVA. These are the full load currents, and this is the impedance tab. These are the impedance tab details. I am showing only you to so that you can model this in your system. And this is cable, and in the cable you can see the length is 1 meter, and size is 630, single core cable. Okay, single core cable. Okay, sizing you can see, maximum voltage drop is 2%. These are the things you have to keep in mind. Same side, in this side there the same thing is whatever it is here, same thing is here. I will see this cable, and this cable the length is 5 meters, and it is 3 core cable, 400 square mm, and this is physical, this is percentage, other things are same. And now we will move to the load, and it is load details are, it is 2.215 MVA, the voltage is 6.6 megawatt, and power factor is 80 amperes. These are these things. Then click OK. Now to perform the harmonic analysis, we should have a non-linear load which will inject the harmonics in the system. So we will consider this load as a non-linear load, and it will inject the harmonics in the system. For that, we should have their measurement, harmonic measurement. This you can get from your vendor, which will supply your equipment, non-linear equipment. He will also give you the harmonic measurement. You have to insert this in your library. We can go to and update the library accordingly. I will show you here also how you can update the library. I have one harmonic measurement. This is a harmonic measurement. I have one, and I will update this harmonic measurement in my system. So that means, first of all, we can go to the library and then go to the harmonic, and in the harmonic you have different tabs. You can click on the add, and you can name the manufacturer. We name it ABC, and let it will be XYZ model. And reference document, you can enter the reference document where you have taken this measurement and these values, then click OK. Then I can click close. Now I will go to the load and double click and go to the harmonic. In the harmonic, I will click on the library. In the library, it is 1 minute. We have to go to back this library. Harmonic ABC is here. We have to edit. Click on edit, and then we will select here the 50 hertz. And current is our current is 220. So we can enter here the current 220. This will be the load current, And this is your first harmonic, that is the fundamental harmonic that is 50 hertz frequency, and magnitude is 100, and current is 220 amperes. Now you can insert, and second is, we will see the second is 11th harmonic is 550 hertz, and percentage magnitude of percentage is 9.909. so we can enter here, can double click on the cell and enter 11th harmonicus. It will automatically enter this 550, and it is the magnitude is 9.09, and it will calculate automatically. You can see here 20, you can see here also 20. Okay, now you can see here waveform is created, and spectrum, waveform spectrum is also created, and harmonic order is also created. As you insert more things, like I will insert one more, what is the 13th harmonicus. I will enter it here, 13. One by one will enter it all the details, that is 7.69, 7.69, and then insert, then is 23, and magnitude is 4.35, 4.35, insert, then (25) and 4, 25, and magnitude is 4, then insert, it will be I think 33, 35, and magnitude is 2.86, 35, and magnitude is 2.86, and insert. Now it is last, that is 37, and magnitude is 2.7. oh, it is 35, 37, and magnitude is 2.7, 2.7. okay, now you can see all the details has been updated here, and I will click OK and click close. Now we can go on this load and double click and open the static load editor and go to the harmonicus, and again go to the library, and then we will select the ABC and click OK. Now you can see the waveform and spectrum is introduced in this load, and click OK. Now in the next lecture we will move forward to with harmonic analysis, how we can perform the harmonic analysis and what are the results. Thank you.